Max Scherzer, nicknamed Mad Max, is an American professional baseball pitcher for the Toronto Blue Jays of Major League Baseball. Scherzer is the fifth pitcher to start an All-Star game for both the American and National Leagues. He is a four-time wins leader and a winner of 3 strikeout titles. One of the most consistent hurlers of his era, he made at least 30 starts each season from 2009 to 2018 and struck out at least 230 batters in each season from 2012 to 2019. Despite not having a standout raw talent, Scherzer's first determination propelled him forward. The Cardinals drafted him in the 43rd round of the 2003 MLB Draft, 1291st overall, but he opted not to sign and instead attended the University of Missouri. Scherzer was drafted 11th overall by the Arizona Diamondbacks in 2006, signing a 4-year, $4.3 million deal after a brief independent league stint with the Fort Worth Cats. He debuted on April 29, 2008, striking out 7 in 4.5 perfect relief innings against the Astros, setting a record for consecutive batters retired in debut 30. Transitioning to starter, he went 9-11 with a 4.12 ERA in 2009. In January 2015, he signed a landmark 7-year, $210 million contract with the Washington Nationals. In 2019, he powered the Nationals' World Series title, starting games 1 and 7 despite a broken nose. He reached 3,000 career strikeouts in 2021. Mid-2023 trade to the Texas Rangers yielded 2003.20 ERA in 8 starts. He started ALCS Game 3 and 7 plus World Series Game 3, earning a second ring despite back issues as Texas won in 5. Injuries plagued 2024, herniated disc, thumb, nerve, hamstring, limiting him to 9 starts 3.95 ERA, tying Greg Maddux for 11th in career strikeouts 3,371. On February 4, 2025, Scherzer inked a 1-year, $15.5 million pact with the Toronto Blue Jays. Thumb inflammation sidelined him early IL March 30, but he rehabbed with AAA Buffalo and debuted June 25, notching his first Jays win July 11 versus Oakland 7-6. Through 2025, his career stats 221 to 117, 3.22 ERA, 3,489 K over 2,800 plus IP. He joined the 3,000 strikeout club on September 12, 2021 and has struck out the 11th most all-time. In 2023, he became only the 4th pitcher in Major League history to win multiple World Series championships, win multiple CY Young Awards, throw multiple no-hitters, and earn multiple All-Star selections. The others are Hall of Fame